Alright, so here we have my KA piece of shit, right? Cool. Put a new head, fucking bigger cam this past month. It was running fine, sounded amazing, but I took my EGR system. I have it plugged on the other side as well, but as soon as I got it back from the shop after they plugged the EGR system here and at the bottom, the car wouldn't start, so I had to get it towed back here. Check all my fuel system. Everything's good. I mean, I checked the injectors, tested them one by one. It was solid. Just got a brand new Ultima battery. I will give it a start. Forgive the junk. It was a fucking automatic at first. I had to swap it. And that's all I really get. And if I don't try to start it for a day, only thing I get is a loud popping sound. And I was thinking, what the fuck is that? Maybe alternator, fucking starter, who knows? Just looking for some feedback.